Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very nice 2017 Mustang 2500RT NXT3. So this is the third generation of these. This is going to have the IdelTrax, 2-speed cab heat air, high flow, joysticks, backup camera, AM/FM radio. It's a fully loaded machine. 18-inch wide track machine, rear counterweight kit, Power-A-Tatch, 74-inch OEM bucket is with it. 985 hours, one owner machine. It is all original paint. We didn't touch anything up. We've just done a complete and full service on this machine. Final oils, all filters we bought at our local Mustang dealer, including cabin filters. I had all but $500 in filters. So we went completely through this machine. We're going to start you right back here at the engine bay. We're going to take you completely around this machine. Come on back. Counterweight's in very nice shape, very straight. We have one ding here in the door. One neat thing on these machines, they have a lot of compartments. Here's actually a little compartment you could put stuff in. It's never had anything in it. Everything is lockable. Up here is going to be your battery tray. Easy access, Group 31 battery. And lock that back in there. Over here, you're going to have your hydraulic tank. Reservoir, easy access. And again, I do like how they've made all the panels lockable. Lockable engine bay cover. We're going to go ahead and open this up also. So this unit here is going to be like a 2,500 pound lift machine. 74 horsepower Deutz 4-cylinder common rail turbocharged engine. This does not have a DPF. They were meeting admissions with this machine. It's a 3.6 liter with no DPF. It just has that style muffler. Does not have a regen, just has an EGR system on it, which is very nice. You don't have to deal with that. Very clean. Again, we have done all fuel filters, engine oil, air, hydraulic. I bought everything from Mustang and completely went through it. Hydraulic oil is right where it is supposed to be. All lights work. Sheet metal on this machine is good and straight. There are some scratches on this machine. Up here, there's a scuff on that decal. The other side will show you there's a scuff there. Tracks are going to be 85% bare lug style, stagger block style tracks. Both matched, excellent condition. Undercarriage is going to be 75 to 80%, all matched, both sides. All rollers and idlers are excellent. No oil leaks. Machine is all original paint. On this side, you are going to have your 1/2 inch with case drain, quick couplers for auxiliary hydraulics. The 14 pin, the end here does need to be replaced. It was damaged. I did not replace it. Grab handles are good and straight. High flow, your 3/4 inch high flow is going to be on this side. This unit does have Hydroglide, which is ride control. Again, you see both sides match. And again, there is a scuff up here. Just what it is, it doesn't hurt anything. I just want to tell the truth. Bucket is an OEM 74 inch with bolt-on cutting edge, 19.2 cubic foot, and that is a factory Gale bucket. Coming up here, does have the 2-pin quick attach, power quick attach system from Gale, as Gale called it, or I should say Mustang, the same machine. This machine has high flow, Power-A-Tatch is what they called it. This unit does have a pretty neat door system. So this is going to have a demo style door here. Has the 1/2 inch the Lexan in it. It is a bifold door. I really like it. Easy access in and out of the machine. Simply going to push in on both these buttons and going to latch right up for you. Door's in excellent shape. Grab handles very good and straight. Where you enter and exit the cab, very straight. Cab is straight itself. Very, very clean and straight, which I like that kind of stuff. Air ride seat here in the back. Does have a rear view camera, foot throttle. We'll go ahead and hop in the machine. All ducted and air and heat system. Another thing is nice, you can take these and adjust them forward and back by lifting those handles. Fold down both sides. You're going to come around here to this side. You're going to have your windshield wiper, cigarette lighter plug here, headlights, throttle, which then you have a foot throttle also. Stick a key in here, start him up. Temperature, RPM, volts, hour meter, and then it's going to go back to your temperature. Okay, 985.5. Over here, you're going to have your rear view backup camera. cab heat air parking brake lock. I don't own the rights to the music it's playing, so nobody can turn me in. I'll just fix that. We'll shut that off. People on YouTube get a little funky about that. Backup camera. Here's going to be your 2-speed. Right there, that is on and off. Your high flow is over here. 14-pin stuff is going to be here. Auxiliary hydraulics here. We did replace all cabin filters. Even the dome light works. We have done all windows and glass. Very, very good, clean machine. I'm going to turn this back over to Matt real quick. You can see here again, what is really nice is how that door opens and closes. We really like that door. It is very, very handy. It's very accessible. We really like that. So I'm going to go ahead and fire this machine up. We're going to run it around, show everything works. Again, this is a fully loaded machine, cab heat air, Power-A-Tatch, high flow, 2-speed, Hydroglide. Has everything in it a guy would want. And let's face it, rubber track skid loader stuff right now is extremely hard to come by. Good stuff is. So we're going to go ahead, fire this machine up, we're going to run it around, show you everything works. Here we go. me the old point, our battery's going dead in our camera. So, fellas, you got any question on this 2017 Mustang 2500RT? Very good running, working, handling machine. 74 horsepower pre-admission, or non, I should say, EGR valve machine, no DPF. Cab heat air, 2-speed, IdelTrax system, which is an auto tensioning track system. 814-658-3066, just 985 hours. We worked it there in the dirt pile. We show you that everything works. It's part of what we do here. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House Machinery Trader. Be glad to help in any way that we can. 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company.